Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You act now. Stop all rights to the network share to avoid destroying recoverable data. You must quickly record the server name, volume, and exact path where the files lived, because recovery targets that location. Also note who deleted the files, the deletion time, and how it happened, command line versus GUI, since that affects which tools will find metadata. Once logged, mount the volume read-only or snapshot it. Make a byte-for-byte copy to a separate drive before any scanning begins. With a read-only image or snapshot ready, run a file system-aware scan tailored to XFS, NTFS, ReFS, or Ext variants so you preserve metadata. Use tools like NTF Sundelete, TestDisk, or VendorSyn utilities. Choose deep scans when metadata is missing, and filter results by file name patterns, size, and timestamps. Once candidates appear, export recovered nodes and file fragments to a separate recovery folder on a different disk. Make sure to validate integrity as you go, checking checksums and opening a few files to verify content. Copy recovered files back to production only after validating checksums and inspecting content. Restore permissions and timestamps to avoid access issues. Once done, run user acceptance on a sample set and monitor for missing dependencies or database links. If files are corrupt or missing, don't overwrite anything. Preserve your image and escalate to vendor support or forensic recovery. A key troubleshooting tip: if scans find nothing, create a low-level forensic copy and try different toolsets or
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.